Snapseed is an incredible mobile photo editing app. Maybe its huge range of editing tools has daunted you, so in this series of videos, Dr. Snapseed will guide you through the app with step-by-step instructions. You will quickly master the Snapseed app, even if you're a complete beginner. At the first step we start with Tune Image. Tune Image tool adjusts the tonality of an image. For more precise adjustments we must swipe vertically on the image, to access the edit menu. Once an option has been selected, swipe horizontally to enhance the image. Now, let's see what Tune Image menu includes. Brightness can be used to darken or lighten the entire image. Contrast, increase or decrease the difference between the dark and bright areas. Saturation, add or remove vibrancy to the colors in the image. Ambience, adjust color saturation and contrast at the same time. Highlights, darken or lighten only the bright areas in your photo. Shadows, darken or lighten only the dark areas in your image. Warm, add a warm orange, or cool blue color cast to your image. Now, let's edit this photo, using only Tune Image tool. Masking is a special tool of Snapseed, which allows you to apply any Snapseed edit selectively. With masking, you can apply saturation, brightness, or warmth to only certain areas of your photo, or you could bring out detail in a textured subject, while leaving the rest of the image untouched. In the masking window, you can switch the eye icon on, so this helps you see which areas you've selected by turning them red. Using this tool is simply done by moving your finger on the areas you want to be affected. The second layer of this editing we did is specialized to the water, so again, we use the mask tool to do it.